What subjects are tested on the New York bar exam? If you are gearing up for the New York bar exam, you might be wondering what subjects you need to master. This exam is essential for anyone looking to practice law in New York, and knowing the subjects tested can help you focus your studies effectively. The New York bar exam follows the uniform bar exam format, which is divided into 3 parts: the multi-state performance test, the multi-state essay exam, and the multi-state bar exam. Let's break down the subjects you will encounter. First up is business associations. This subject covers agency, partnership, corporations, and limited liability companies. Next, there is civil procedure, which includes both federal and New York civil procedure rules. This area is highly tested, so make sure you are well prepared. Another important subject is conflict of laws. This deals with which jurisdictions law applies in multi-state legal disputes. Constitutional law is also a key area, covering both federal and New York constitutional principles. Contracts and sales is another subject you'll need to know, including general contract law and Article 2 of the Uniform Commercial Code, which focuses on sales. Criminal law and procedure is another critical subject. This covers substantive criminal law and procedural rules, including distinctions specific to New York. Decedents' estates, which involves wills, trusts, and related estate matters, is also tested. You will also need to be familiar with evidence, focusing on the rules that govern the admissibility of evidence in trials. Family law is included as well, covering marriage, divorce, child custody, and related issues. Property law is another subject, which includes ownership, leases, land use, and real estate transactions. Secured transactions, primarily Article 9 of the Uniform Commercial Code, deals with security interests in personal property. Lastly, torts is a significant subject, covering civil wrongs such as negligence, intentional torts, and strict liability. The exam is structured over 2 days. On day 1, you will tackle 2 90-minute multi-state performance test questions in the morning, followed by 6 30-minute multi-state essay exam questions in the afternoon. Day 2 consists of the multi-state bar exam, which is a 200-question multiple-choice exam divided into 2 3-hour sessions. This part tests subjects like contracts and sales, constitutional law, criminal law and procedure, evidence, real property, and torts. Keep in mind that New York also tests certain state-specific distinctions within these subjects. For example, you will need to know New York civil procedure rules, New York constitutional law, and New York criminal procedure. To pass the New York bar exam, you need a scaled score of 85. Additionally, you must pass the multi-state professional responsibility exam within 3 years before or after taking the bar exam. Preparing for the New York bar exam means mastering these core subjects and paying attention to both the general principles and the New York-specific nuances. Law schools often structure their courses to cover these subjects thoroughly, helping you build the foundational knowledge needed for success.